Hi, I'm Dr. Barbara Andrew, Dean of the William Paterson University Honors College, and I'm here to tell you today a little bit more about the Honors College and how you can apply. Welcome to our virtual open house. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the Honors College application process. All applications are online. After you apply to William Paterson University, you can then apply to the University Honors College. It will be in the admissions website part of your application portal. Admitted students win a $5,000 a year scholarship if you are admitted to the Honors College. For first-year students, that's for 4 consecutive years. For transfer students, it's for 2 consecutive years. Our admissions criteria are that you have a strong high school GPA, that you've taken challenging courses, such as dual enrollment courses or advanced placement courses, or other college-level courses. We hope that you will give thoughtful answers to the questions that we ask in the application. We will also look at your list of extracurricular activities, especially any leadership opportunities that you've taken advantage of, or if you are a musician or have given other creative performances, please make sure to include those in your application. William Paterson University is test score optional. However, the Honors College will consider your SAT or ACT scores when looking at your Honors College application. Please submit those scores if you have them, or submit the optional statement on the application if you do not have test scores. So why should you apply to the William Paterson University Honors College? Well, we have a lot of great things going on. You could join a first-year community in the dorm High Mountain East. You will take some of your university core curriculum courses as honors sections. We offer a lot of community service opportunities and a lot of trips to local and regional cultural events. As a junior and a senior, you'll join a research or creative performance track, and you have a lot of opportunities once you're in that track to present your research at regional and national conferences. You'll work on an individual senior honors project. You get individual attention from our award-winning faculty. You present your research here at William Paterson, but also at national conferences or regional conferences. There are publication opportunities, and you might win an award for your research. Honors also has some study abroad experiences that are specific to honors. This year, for example, we have a group of students going to Paris over spring break with a faculty member who's a Fulbright scholar in Parisian culture. We also really do a good job, we think, of supporting our students. It's an ideal place for students who want to do something special in their academics, but also are looking for support and community. We have Honors College peer leaders and dedicated faculty and staff here to help you with any questions that you have and making sure that you succeed. Our students have also gotten some really great internships. For example, Brooke, who was an athletic training and exercise science major, interned with the New York Giants. And Jenna, who was a music and entertainment industries major, interned with Warner Music Group. Lots of business students like Jay have internships at regional companies. So there's a lot of opportunities to get some real life experience alongside your academic research. And we have some really great results. Please go to the Honors College website at wpunj.edu/honors. Click on See Where Honors will take you to see what some of our most recent graduates are doing, like Saul, who's at Rutgers Medical School. Our students win national awards, they get to ring the bell at Wall Street, and really, all in all, I think they also end up having a good time. Let me introduce you to some of our students now. Here's Jess.
The reason why I chose William Paterson is because in my high school choir room there was a poster hung up for the William Paterson Music Department, and that poster, I saw it for all 4 years of high school, and I decided when I heard that the guidance office was hosting info sessions for William Paterson and other state schools, I went to one of the info sessions for William Paterson, and then I decided to go to an open house. And when my mom and I stepped foot on campus, we realized that this was the place that I was going to be for the next 4 years, and this was going to be my home. And during the open house, I stumbled upon the Honors College info session. I met Dr. Andrew, and as a student, I've always sought out like-minded individuals, people who push the envelope when it comes to their academic space and really go above and beyond. And the Honors College felt like a perfect opportunity to find people like that and to have access to opportunities that I wouldn't otherwise have access to. And I decided to apply to the Honors College. I got accepted, and from then it's been such an amazing journey. It's been incredible being able to work with such talented faculty and students, and I have been able to do research here. I just started my research track for the Honors College. I'm in the Cognitive Science research track under Dr. Lehrmonk, and my research is going to be about music students and music faculty post-COVID. And I am a psychology major, but I'm really passionate about education and about music. And the Honors College has provided me an opportunity so I can access all 3 of those things in my research. It's also equipped me with skills to do research outside of the university. This past summer, I completed a research project with the University of Nebraska-Lincoln in engineering education research, and that's the perfect amount of interdisciplinary studies that I really, really, really love. I've also been able to, through the William Paterson Music Department, go on tour to Italy in my sophomore year, and next March, in spring of 2024, I'll be going to France and Belgium with the choir as well, in the midst of preparing to present my thesis at Honors Research Week and in the spring. And I have had so many incredible experiences here. William Paterson, my intuition that first time that I stepped on campus was correct, that this place would provide me such an amazing academic community, social community, people who are like-minded, and people who really encourage me and push me to be the best student that I can.
Another honors student is Helen. Helen, please tell us about your experience here at William Paterson and the William Paterson Honors College.
Hi everyone, I'm Helen, and as you prepare to make William Paterson a home for you, I'll tell you why it's been a home for me. From the very beginning, community service and giving back to those around me has been very important for me. So I knew that William Paterson would be the place because we are a smaller school, which means that there is more one-to-one mentoring. It means that I can make a more impactful commitment to community service, and I can confidently say that I did not make the wrong decision when I decided to come here. But in addition to giving back to the community, William Paterson does not compromise on academic excellence and making sure that their students are prepared for wherever their degree leads them. I'm a medicinal biochemistry major, so a lot of my education has focused on hands-on lab experience and a lot of the technological science stuff, which I am extremely grateful for. But in addition to that, I have had the opportunity to, again, go back to community service and explore public health. I'm in the Global Public Health Honors track in the Honors College, which has given me the opportunity to explore another one of my interests, which is the intersection of language, culture, and healthcare. And I'll be presenting that research at the National Collegiate Honors Council in November this year in Chicago, which I'm very excited for. And speaking to that sense of community, the Honors College not only gives me the opportunity to give back to the community, but it's made its own community for me at William Paterson. We are a very tight-knit group of students, and everyone knows each other, and it's very comforting to know that there are students who are like you, who have the same experiences, yet you can share and learn from our differences. And having that support system is very encouraging, not just from the students, but also the administration and the staff, and it's been one of the most positive impacts in my William Paterson experience. So as I reflect on my last year here at William Paterson, I can definitely say that William Paterson does not compromise on academic excellence just because they also have a commitment to community service. Those two being one of the most important pillars in my life. I think that this is definitely a place you should consider.
If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 973-720-3657 or email us at honors@wpunj.edu. You can find a lot of information on our website, which is wpunj.edu/honors. Thanks so much for listening, and I really hope you apply to the William Paterson University Honors College.